Hey, what's up everybody? Enin here from U Droid Mania. Real tech, real travel, real life. This week, I put the Meta Ray-Ban Wayfarers to the test during my daily routine. These smart glasses look like regular Wayfarers, but don't be fooled. They've got a few tricks up their sleeves, so if you're wondering what it's like to actually live with these, come ride with me. This week, my testing focuses on video and finding out if I can use them for vlogging. And I used 2 slices of cheese just to get that nice cheesy flavor that I like. Put that back. Got all about my doggone grits. And always try and let that cheese melt down some, so as I am cooking the eggs, there's cheese in every bite. Check on that. Alright, so that's done. Pop that out, put my toast in. And while this cooks, I will finish up my eggs. Because they should be done. So that's more than enough. And I think the battery running out on my put all of them because sausage. To do me some. And that is breakfast. Okay. That's good. Ooh, almost burned my toast up. That's the brown that I'm looking for. I don't waste up no more plate. But that's how I toast my bread. And like I said, like I was telling you, a lot of that butter soaks right in, it keeps the bread from burning, so comes out pretty nice every time. I'm right here. Hello? I got your pen and stuff already.
Okay. Mom's already in the theater?
She's in the bathroom.
You didn't get anything yet?
No, because she wanted to get her own points.
Okay.
So, you look nice. I didn't see you this morning. Theater 10 in the last row. Right here, 789. Right there in front. At least it's not dark.
I was telling Mommy, it felt like it was 8 o'clock at night.
This car's so dirty. I gotta wash it so bad.
I'm singing to her. See her.
So we done made it to the gym. Got the fresh haircut. So we're gonna go in here and get our workout on and see how that go today. Real tired, so we'll see. So after a full week, I can honestly say the Meta Ray-Bans fit right into my lifestyle. And they're not perfect, but for quick captures, calls, and music, they're super convenient. And the best part, nobody even knows you're wearing smart glasses. If you found this video helpful or just want to see more real tech in real life, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to U Droid Mania. Got more travel coming up, and I'm bringing the tech with me.